expand the brackets. 5 times is timesing across the bracket, so 5 times 2m, 10m. 5 times negative 3, negative 15. Next one, factorize. Factorize means putting brackets back in. It's the opposite of expanding. So this is the question. We need to factorize this. So we need to think what goes into 3 and what goes into 12. 3, the answer is 3. So that goes on the outside of the bracket. 3 times something to give me 3n. Well, it's just n, isn't it? 3 times n is 3n. And then 3 times something to give me 12. It's 4. So you can expand the bracket and check for yourself. All right, this has been factorized. There's no letters to factorize because it's just a single n there. Right, expand and simplify. We'll do this bit by bit. 5 times p, 5p. 5 times 3, 15. It's a positive 15. Now careful here, this is a negative value. It's not a positive 2, it's a negative 2. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. And then negative 2, look, negative 2 times negative 2p. Okay, what did I just say? Negative 2 times negative 2p. When you multiply two negatives together, you get a positive. So that'll be 4p, positive 4p. So write positive 4p there. Right, all we need to do now is simplify, because it does say simplify. Right, collecting like terms, so that's 5p, add 4p, that's going to be 9p. Now the numbers, positive 15 or just 15, take away 2, look, it's a take away 2, 15 take away 2 is 13. And when I say 13, I did not say negative 13, I just said 13. That means positive 13. Right, that is the answer for that one. Right, expand. 2m times m, 2m squared. 2m times 3, 6m. As simple as that. Right, factorize. Next question, question B, is to factorize. Right, let me rewrite this so it's helpful. So that's 3x, y squared means y times y. Okay, I've just rewritten the question, I haven't done anything to it. Now, just look at the number parts now, just the numbers, these ones. What's the biggest number that goes to 3 and 6? Or, in other words, which times table has got the 3 and 6 in it? It's a 3 times table, isn't it? 3 is in the 3 times table, 6 in the 3 times table, so put the 3 on the outside of the bracket. Now, a lot of letters there, so we need to take care, see what they have in common. Okay, we're going to compare both sides. We've got an x over here. And we've got another x on this side. That's what they have in common. So put that x on the outside of the bracket. Right. There is a y over here, but there's also a y on the other side. So that's what they have in common, both sides, both terms have in common. Right, nothing else in common. So now to finish off our question, 3xy, look, 3xy times something to give me 3xyy. Well, the only letter that I didn't circle is the y. There you go. Let's read it out. 3xyy. Look back here. Back at the question. 3xyy. Right, let's carry on. Don't forget the minus. Right, 3xy times something to give me 6xy. There's no need to put any letters here because everything's circled. It's just 2. Because 3 times 2 is 6 and you just got the xy. Right, that's been fully factorized.